All right, folks, I got something special. This particular video is going to be about this ceiling fan, which is used mainly in the bathroom. If you are having problem with your bathroom fan or something is wrong with it and you wonder what to do, well, this video is for you. I will open everything to show you what's involved taking the fan off or the light if you want to change it. The problem that you might face should in case you buy the wrong fan without looking at the particular fan that you have installed already. So stay tuned. I'm sure you're going to find this video helpful. So here's the fan, the ceiling fan. So taking the cover off is very easy. It snaps right out. Then the next thing to do is the light bulb. Once you remove the light bulb, you have this nut that comes off. And with the one nut, the whole fixture comes off. You unplug the fan, you could unplug the light, remove this plastic cover. At this stage, pay attention to any numbers, brand, model to order the fan. The fan would come out. It's held with one screw. So just plug the light fixture back. Nothing else is holding it. Next, what you're going to have to do is make sure you put that fan vent back in place. Nothing else is holding that vent either. When you put the light fixture in place, then remember that one nut we took off with a red screwdriver? That nut would have to be put back in place. That is the only thing that's holding everything. It's as simple as it looks. There's nothing tricky about it. And what's more interesting is you could just use this multi-bit screwdriver to put the nut back in place. You don't have to over tighten it because you might end up cracking that plastic vent. So just watch your force and just tighten it. Once it's tight, you check it's not moving. Just put back the light bulb. And the light bulb should work because there's nothing wrong with it. And then you are done. But only other thing left is this lens. And on the lens, usually there's a brand name. So you could just go by the brand name when you are ordering a new one. And don't forget to turn the light on. This ensures that all the connections were made correctly. You could check it multiple times if you like. It's completely up to you. If you like this video, I'm sure you benefited from it. Please do me a favor. Like and subscribe. If you like, you can even share it with someone. Thank you for watching.